I found this red and black checkered scarf at the Dollar Tree. And I like to grab these and just use it as material. I'm taking a fabric chalk pencil and using my hand as a pattern. And I went about an inch larger on all sides, and then I'm going to cut that out. I doubled the scarf, so I'm going to get 2 panels. And I'm creating like a large mitten. I'm going to take some hot glue and run along the edge and glue the 2 pieces together. I did not glue the wrist area, and I left that portion open. Once cooled off, I'm going to pull the mitten inside out or right side in. I found this white towel also at the Dollar Tree, and it's very nubby. I'm going to cut back about 2 inches, from 2 to 3 inches from the top. I'm just going to put something inside my mitt so I can put some hot glue down and it doesn't go through to the other side. And I'm going to glue this strip along the top of my mitt. And this is going to appear to be fur. And I'm just going along the seams just to close it all up. I took the extra fabric and stuffed it inside the mitt and through the thumb. And I found these 2 sprays at Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off. They're like the long pine sprays. And then I believe these ones with the white berries, I believe I grabbed those at possibly Dollar Tree. But I like to grab them and I just piece them apart as I need them. I'm going to take the silver bell that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to run some floral wire through it. And then I'm going to thread the floral wire through the fleece and tie that to the mitt. I found this joy ornament. This is from Just a Buck. And I'm going to glue that to the front of my mitt. I'm going to add a bow. I'm going to take some jute and add it to the back as a hanger. I'm just going to use some hot glue to glue it between the material. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.